Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at the updates from the Hamster Kombert token distributions. The update from the Hamster Kombert token distributions. The long expectation is here. Congratulations, this is what you have earned. Have you seen yours? Have you seen your token rewards? Now, if you look at my previous video, which I have been talking about, I have been talking about every activities on Hamster Kombert is important. Now you know. They will tell you the coins, no. The PPH is the important matters. No, everything is important. According to how the tokens was listed, the point was listed, and now it's been converted to token. Now you can see. Okay, you can see that everything on a Hamster Kombert was truly important. Now coming to look at it, you see how the distributions took place. You see how the distribution took place. Look at it. The passive income, I got 212. The end task, get 0.00933. The friends invitations, I get 4.6. The achievement, I get 0.095. And the keys, I got 16.3. And you see, so all this was calculated to 234.0359. You see, now you know that everything on a Hamster Kombert is important that we're talking about. It was truly important. So the first phase of the hamster mining is over. But the question is, this token reward, does it worth it? Drop it at the comment section. Drop me what you got. Let's interact. Okay, does it really worth it? Will this hamster pay us much? Will it pay us much? Will it pay us much? So you gaining much depends on how much Hamster Kombert will be listed. Okay, it depends on how much Hamster Kombert will be listed. If Hamster Kombert is listed at 0.02, then there is still problem. If it is listed at 0.2, you can gain some rational profit. There's no big deal about that. You can gain some rational profits if you list it at 0.2. And if it is listed at 0.3, it's nice, very fair. If we are lucky enough it will be listed at 1, it will be a massive profit. Okay, it will be a massive profit. I only get few though, but I know a lot of people have thousands of these hamster in their possessions. So if price increase, there will be at real profit. Right? They will be at real profit. So all you just need to do is to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time coming across to the channel. Like my videos and as well share my videos so that we'll be gaining a lot of value from this. And if you are returning viewers and you're yet to subscribe, please do it to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so you can see all those things I labeled that they were very important. It was truly important, and you have seen how the token distributions took place. Everything has its own, and it was all calculated, and I was given 234. Okay, so if you do have any questions, drop it at the comment sections, and drop your volume of hamster. Let's see how much you have got. Drop it at the comment section. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.